Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I make Japanese rice bowl onigiri. I'll introduce how to 4 types of onigiri feelings that represent Japan. You are sure to find your favorite rice bowl. I would think this video is good. I would appreciate to push like, subscribe and bell mark. So let's get started. Introduce ingredients. 450 gram rice. I prepare a little more, but about 450 gram is enough. 600 ml water. Since I'll introduce 4 types, so 4 types of ingredients. First, 70 gram salmon. Second, salt plum. Third, 80 gram tuna. 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. The last, 1/2 tablespoon of miso, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 6 toasted seaweed. So let's cook it. Wash the rice before cooking to remove the case of the smell called rice drain and dirt and to cook deliciously. If you apply too much force, the rice will be scraped and crushed, so just stir it lightly. The rice will sink, so please throw away the water slowly and quietly. Repeat this process. 4 times is enough. And add water. Add 200 ml water for 150 gram rice. So 600 ml water for 450 gram rice. I cook with a rice cooker. Because I apply the pressure, I can cook the delicious rice. Wait for 20 minutes for quick cooking setting. While waiting for the rice to cook, prepare the ingredients. First, prepare the salmon. Add 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Fry on medium heat. Flip it over when it gets brown. When both sides are cooked, cover and turn off the heat. Let's wait until the fire goes through 5 minutes. Then prepare the salted plum. Let's remove the seed. And taste. Very sourness. Oh! Remove the seed from the other one and crush it into the small pieces. Next, prepare the tuna mayonnaise. Canned tuna is easy to use, so I use what I always have on hand. Remove the tuna and add the mayonnaise and stir well. Salmon was ready while it was being prepared. Put it in the container and loosen it. If there is a bone, it is very dangerous, so remove it. Crush the salmon until about this size. The salmon I used is not seasoned, so add a little salt. And it is completed by stirring. And finally, prepare the yaki onigiri, grilled rice balls with miso soy sauce. At this time, I added too much soy sauce, so I failed. Be careful not to add too much soy sauce. And add miso. Ready by dissolving the miso. After that, the preparation of the 4 ingredients was completed. Salted plum, tuna mayonnaise, salmon, and yaki onigiri. Jajan! Rice is ready! Can use it as it is, but it will be more fluffy and delicious if the steam is a little. So let it steam and stir well and cover. Wait for 10 minutes. When the steaming is complete, transfer the rice to the bowl. If you don't have enough, you can add more later, so 4 to 5 rice bowls will be fine. The rice is first seasoned with salt. With this, it will be delicious even if you eat the part without ingredients, and stir gently. When you are ready, make your rice bowl. First, let's prepare the bowl like this. Cover with a plastic wrap and make an indentation where the rice is to be placed. Then add 2/3 of the amount of rice in the bowl. Then put the ingredients in the middle of rice. Then cover the top with a little rice so that the ingredients do not stick out. Then bring the end of the wrap together and lift. And twist a little. The wrap was a little small, so it is better to use a large wrap. And I'm gonna to hold a rice bowl. When the hold it a while, it becomes a triangle, like this. Press your left hand down and squeeze to secure the bottom of the triangle. Right hand squares the vertex part of the triangle. Then, roll the rice bowl sideways and harden it in the same way to easily complete a triangle rice bowl. Make it with the right amount of force to harden the outside without completely crushing it. And if you can, I'll put it on the plate. Then use this way to make the onigiri with other ingredients. Next is salmon. With 450 grams of rice, can make 4 types of 2 rice bowls each. There are 8 in total. Next is tuna mayonnaise. I make the same way. And finally, grill the rice bowl and miso soy sauce to the rice for 2 rice bowls and mix well. Since there are a lot of soy sauce, the rice grain and separated, but it is better to use a little less. And hold it once like any other rice bowl. Then I will grill. Add sesame oil and turn on medium heat. Gently flip it over when brown. Flip it over very carefully. If the amount of soy sauce is large, it will clap like this. This one is barely finished. And finally, we wrap the toasted seaweed. Introduce 2 ways. The first, place on the bottom of the triangle rice bowl in the center of the toasted seaweed and hold with ends. Second way, place the side of the triangle in the center of the toasted seaweed and hold both sides like this. Then put the rest of the ingredients on the top of rice bowl. That way we know what's inside. Finish!
So let's いただきます。
What should I eat? What should I eat? Start with the tuna mayonnaise. The sweetness and umami of the tuna mayo will leak out. Next, salmon. The saltiness of the salmon whets the appetite. And then, salty plum. This is the Japanese rice ball onigiri. Sour tasted is the best. Lastly is the grilled rice ball yaki onigiri. I hold it carefully because it was crumbling. The shape did not go well, but I like the taste the most. All of them are really great. Let's try it. Thank you for watching until the end. I'll continue to introduce the Japanese cuisine. Please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss it. See you next time.